Information security, or in Hindi, refers to the protection of sensitive information from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. It involves the implementation of measures, processes, and technologies to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information. The primary objectives of information security are to 1. Protect confidentiality. Information should only be accessible to authorized individuals or entities and remain confidential. Unauthorized disclosure or access to sensitive information could lead to privacy breaches or compromise sensitive data. 2. Maintain integrity. Information should be accurate, reliable, and complete. It should be protected from unauthorized modification or tampering to ensure its trustworthiness and maintain data integrity. 3. Ensure availability. Information should be available and accessible to authorized users when needed. Measures should be in place to prevent disruptions, system failures, or denial of service attacks that could result in the unavailability of critical information. 4. Preserve privacy. Personal and sensitive information should be protected to ensure individuals' privacy rights are respected and prevent identity theft, fraud, or unauthorized surveillance. Key components of information security. 1. Risk assessment. Identify and assess potential risks and vulnerabilities to information assets. This involves evaluating the likelihood and impact of potential threats and vulnerabilities. 2. Security policies and procedures. Develop and enforce security policies, standards, and guidelines to govern the protection of information assets. Establish procedures for incident response, access control, data classification, and other security-related activities. 3. Access control. Implement mechanisms to control and manage access to information systems and resources. This includes user authentication, authorization, and privilege management to ensure that only authorized users can access specific information. 4. Encryption. Utilize encryption techniques to protect sensitive data during storage, transmission, and processing. Encryption helps ensure that even if data is intercepted, it remains unreadable and confidential. 5. Security awareness and training. Educate employees and users about information security best practices, policies, and potential threats. Promote a security-conscious culture and provide training on secure handling of data, password management, and social engineering awareness. 6. Incident response and management. Establish incident response plans to address and manage security incidents effectively. This includes procedures for detecting, responding to, and recovering from security breaches or incidents. 7. Regular monitoring and auditing. Implement monitoring mechanisms to detect and identify security incidents, unauthorized activities, or anomalies. Conduct regular security audits to assess compliance with security policies and identify areas for improvement. 8. Physical security. Protect physical assets, such as servers, data centers, and storage devices, through physical access controls, surveillance systems, and environmental controls. Information security is essential in ensuring the protection and trustworthiness of information assets. It helps organizations safeguard sensitive data, maintain regulatory compliance, protect intellectual property, and build customer trust. By implementing robust information security measures, organizations can mitigate risks, prevent security incidents, and maintain the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of their information resources.